Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing Article 343 or consented abduction. Under Article 343, consented abduction is the abduction of a virgin over 12 years and under 18 years of age, carried out with her consent with lewd designs. May 4 na elements upang maging liable sa crime na ito. First, offended party must be a virgin. Second, she must be over 12 and under 18 years of age. Sa forcible abduction, yung victim po doon ay babae, regardless kung virgin siya or hindi. Regardless din kung ilang taon na siya. Pero dito sa consented abduction, ang victim ay virgin na may edad 12 pataas pero mas bata sa 18 years old. Third, taking away of the offended party must be with her consent after solicitation or cajolery from the offender. Kinuha yung victim ng offender pero yung pagkuha sa kanya ay with her consent. Paano siya umoo o nagbigay ng consent? Inakit po siya ng offender para sumama sa kanya. Fourth, taking away of the offended party must be with lewd designs. Same purpose po ito sa forcible abduction, para bastusin, halain, o gawan ng malaswang gawa. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.